Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Most stovetop repairs will require you to remove the main top. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance and turn off the gas supply. Your first step is to remove all 4 burner valve knobs. Now, remove all of the burner grates and caps. Next, uninstall the screws securing the burner bases and pull the bases off. You can now remove the main top. When the repair is complete, replace the main top, making sure the orifice holders align with the holes. Replace the burner bases by lining up the electrodes with the slot or hole in each base, and secure each of them with the screws. Replace the burner caps, grates, and burner valve knobs. You're now ready to turn the gas supply back on, plug the appliance back in, and check the stovetop to make sure it's functioning properly.